Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to buy Bitcoin on blockchain. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To buy Bitcoin on blockchain is quite simple. First, open up a blockchain app and make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage of blockchain, which looks like this, tap on the buy and sell button at the bottom right. Now, make sure that you are inside the Buy tab at the top left. Choose Bitcoin from the assets list on the screen and tap it on. Soon after you select Bitcoin, you'll be able to see this interface. Now, the value of one Bitcoin will be displayed at the top of the screen. Make sure to select a payment method by tapping on Bank Wire Transfer and choose one of the options from the display. Once you select a payment method of your choice, go ahead and type in the amount of Bitcoin you'd want to receive. If you tap on this arrow, you'll be able to change between cryptocurrency and fiat currency. If you've chosen the fiat currency option, you'll need to type in the amount of US dollar or any other fiat currency you would want to spend in order to buy Bitcoin. It shows that if I spend 25 US dollar, I'll be able to receive this worth of BTC. Now, once you enter the amount, tap on Preview Buy and follow the on-screen prompts on the next page and you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on blockchain. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.